to my new video, and in this video I'll show you how to use the Pacman package manager in Arch Linux to install and remove packages. Without any further ado, let's get started. So, I have here my terminal open, and the first thing that we want to do is do sudo pacman -sy and then the package name neofetch. So, what will this command do? So sudo, as I said in my first video, we can use this command to execute commands that require administrator privileges without logging in as root. Pacman is our package manager, sy flag that will install the following packages, so that will be neofetch. Warning, this capitalization is important, otherwise your command will not work. So you press enter, and we just go yes when we want to install it, and press enter. It's a really small package, it takes like a few seconds, and then we can type in neofetch, execute it, enter, and here we go. We have neofetch successfully running. Now, let's say we want to remove the package. How do we do that? So we do sudo pacman -r and then our package name. So again, sudo and pacman. As I said, sudo is our command that we use to execute commands with administrative privileges, and Pacman, the package manager. And what's this R here? That stands for remove. Again, capitalization is important. And then we have our package neofetch. And we go yes if we actually want to remove that, and enter. It's done. It has been removed. And let's try executing it again. Neofetch. Enter. Nothing, because the package has been removed. So that's how you install and remove packages on Arch Linux. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my type of content, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.